Come on over here, Steffi, here we go. We are outside. We've got our anchors that are set in now, holding this retaining wall nicely, strong and in place. It's now time to decide on our fence. My whole career I've been building with Hebel. Hebel is a very durable, strong product, great to build a house out of, quick, energy efficient. It's got steel strength in it, fire retardant and everything. So what we're actually going to do here along the fence is going to be a Hebel fence as well. Now the way you need to offset your movement in fences is to be able to stagger your fence. So when we set our posts, we're going to set our post at 2.4, 2.5, whatever you buy your sheets at, and we're actually going to link the sheets in together on those posts. Now we're going to do that, leave a space, reset the other ones. The next set, we're actually going to screw in front. So our fence will look like this. Bang, step out, come across, step back, kick back. The reason for that is every post, and especially on a fence, especially with the ground with a lot of movement, it's going to move your fence. When you get movement on a rendered fence, especially not a core field block fence, you're going to get cracking. You're going to get these hairline cracks, sometimes big cracks, sometimes pushes. As the cement and the render combine together, it actually expands and pops that render off as well. So we want to eliminate that. And by staggering our fence, we can actually achieve that. How we then tell it where to crack it is we can actually fill it with a silicone bead, a nice neat one, in between the two staggered fence. That'll allow the fences to push and move, and hopefully that's where our cracking goes. Cost effective, probably about half the price, if not cheaper, than a blockwork fence wall. We still have to render it, we still have to paint it, and we do use an acrylic render, which gives it a more high micron bind than your normal sand and cement render that you see over brick and blockwork. This adds durability, longevity, sustainability as well throughout as you're using less product across your fence. When we get into the pool area here, we are going to build our nice day bed out of the Hebel as well. So we'll have this beautiful in and out feature. We'll be able to coat these with different coatings as well, different colors. If we want featured wall, if we want to put some plants or some feature plants on the wall, or design a new EPS, like a new arcing sort of trend going around it, we can do all this because we're able to attach it straight and directly to the fixings of the Hebel. Also, we've got wooden posts behind there. Whether we use steel posts, wood posts, that's your own sort of preference. But as long as we're going deep enough into the ground, it'll have that strength. It'll really hold up. I've built a fair few of these already, and as long as you can control your expansion joints and control where you want it to move, Hebel fences are very, very durable and a great, cheaper option other than building a blockwork wall.